So we are going to see how to create a package. A package is nothing but a directory which holds a number of modules and packages. So we have created one directory that is known as my package, you can see here, and within that package we have to create one file which may be empty. Its name must start with underscore init underscore dot py. So this is the file that we have created. So now within this package we are going to create the different modules. So let's see how to create the different modules within this package. So let us start. Now let's say I want to create one module, let's say def with some name hi, a function, and which prints how are you. Okay, so this is my package, or this is my module, sorry, and I will execute this, and now I just save this with different name, let's say ABC, and I will just rename it. So this is the already exists, so I will change some name XYZ. So rename it. Okay, so I have renamed it as XYZ, and now I want to store that in, I will just download it as .py because in package modules are having extension .py. So keep it, and I will open it, and I will copy that XYZ module in my package. So in my package I have copied the XYZ module, and now I don't need this XYZ, so I will go to my files, last modified, XYZ, I will select it and I will delete this. I don't require anymore xyz.ipynd. The required file are already downloaded and kept in my package. And now let's create a new file, and here I'm going to let's start with new Python file, and there I'm going to use or import my package. So import from my package XYZ and print XYZ dot hi. This is the method that we have defined in the module XYZ in package my package. So let's run this. So this is how we have executed a function which is defined in an XYZ module and which is stored in a my package directory. So this is how the my package or packages we can create.